Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, international markets, specifically US, uh, came off marginally, but very nominal yesterday. Whereas Asian market are giving mixed indications, wherein few markets are negative, but most of the markets are positive. Uh, if you see the dollar index, that is showing a positive sign, and it has come off by almost around 50 bips in Friday and Monday 2 days. So and making a newer low in recent past in last 5 6 months, which is positive for emerging market. And also uh, the bond yields are more of a flattish, and remain at 10-year US bond yield are at 4.3940 and are flat in last 2 years, 2 days. So more of a bit positive indications from international market, though commodities has seen some softness or decline, wherein oil has come off by around $2, and also iron ore is down by around $2.5 today morning in China, and steel is also down. So commodities reflecting some softness, but overall the other markets, specifically equities, are giving positive indications. So seems more of a positive day for India. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We'll start with the derivative front and we'll carry with the technical front. So, on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that the OI position for the last week, it is completely range bound scenario because continuously we are seeing that the Colorado positions are getting added near 19,800 to 20,000 mark, and 19,800 strike position of Colorado is not getting liquidated or not getting shifted on the higher end. Till the time it's not getting shifted on the higher end, till that point of time, we might witness some sell off from the upper end towards 19,800 to 19,900 range. Once if Nifty futures manages to get close above 19,900 level and Nifty spot gets a closing above 19,800 level, then there might be a confirmation and strong liquidation from the call writers which may be witnessed and the put writers will be added near ATM strikes. So as per the current scenario, view will be from positive to range bound scenario. Once Nifty gets come near 19,700 on the spot basis, then new positions can be created with the support of 19,700 mark. Once if Nifty goes below on the closing below closing basis 19,700 level, then only there might be some sort of a profit booking, or else as per the sectoral zone also major indexes we are seeing that the buying has been witnessed, and we might we see from buying momentum in coming trading sessions. So hold a long position with the support of 19,700 level, while we are seeing that the PCR closed at 0.96 level and India Wix also closed at 11.33 level. So there is not much of change from the PCR and India Wix level, but we are seeing that the FI front from last 2 days, FIs are into buying front. Continuously, we are seeing that from last 15 to 20 days, the FIs were into selling zone, but from Thursday session, we are seeing that the FIs are coming into buying zone. So this is a positive sign for the market. Once if Nifty manages to get stable about 19,800 level on the spot basis, then more buying will be witnessed from the FI front, which will take Nifty towards the 20,000 to 20,100 mark. So overall market momentum seems to be on the positive front, but we will see some sideways move from the index front. But the stock specific front, we are seeing that the new breakouts are also being witnessed. The selective stocks from the positive front would be Coromandel, IDFC, First Bank, and Infobody. This counter has shown some short covering rally, and we might see very soon the fresh buying in this three counter. While on the negative front, Tata Chemical, Hind Petro, and M&M Finance, this three counter looks negative in today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. I will request technical team to carry ahead. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Amit. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a slightly with gap up opening, and we're likely to witness some positive momentum during the day. From the last 2 to 3 sessions, we are witnessing that the Nifty is respecting the support of 19,670, 19,700 levels on the closing basis, which gives a positive sign. Now, on the technical front, we believe that the immediate resistance will be at around 19,840. If it's maintain a positive closing about the same and do the trading about the levels, we are likely to see the some extension of this pullback rally towards 19,900 to 19,970 levels on the high side. Whereas the lower end, as of now, the immediate support is listed at 19,740. Any move below that level, we expect some sort of a profit booking, which might drag the Nifty towards 19,670 levels. The overall view will remain a positive because Nifty has managed to maintain the support levels of 19,600. So as long as it supports that level, the view will remain a positive. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, from last two trading session, we are witnessing that the Bank Nifty is just hovering nearby its level by 43,800 to 43,600 levels. It was just trading within a very tight range. For the today intraday purpose, 43,900 will be the immediate resistance zone. If it surpasses that level, 44,000 levels can be seen, and above that level, 44,140. The support is placed at 43,740, 43,600 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,680, 19,720 are the two crucial resistance level we need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at 19,600 and 19,540 levels. The overall view will remain a positive on three indices as long as they maintain above the supports level. Now the stock specific Alembic Limited really looks good on the positive front. On the technical charts indicates that the stock is trading in the pattern of the high tops, high bottom, well placed above all the important moving average. We believe that the stock will rally up to 94 levels on the high side. So those who are interested to take a long position, one can buy at the current market price. Stop loss can be kept at 81 levels for the immediate target of 94. That's it from my end. I request fundamental team to take a carry.
Good morning. Eicher Motors has launched a new Himalayan bike at an introductory price of 2,69,000 ex showroom. Although this brand doesn't have large volumes compared to total sales of Royal Enfield, but we think that this could potentially double volumes for the Himalayan brand. Product and pricing compare very well with recently launched competitor bikes like Triumph 400 and KTM Duke. So this is positive for Eicher. Maruti Suzuki has planned to increase the prices of its cars in January due to increase in cost pressure driven by overall inflation and increased commodity prices. So that will be seen as positive for Maruti also. Thank you.
This Cello word came out with numbers. Numbers were for September results. That is Q2, and this company got listed recently. So the revenue, they had reported results based on quarter. Last year numbers are not available. So quarter revenue increased by 3.6%, and EBITDA was more of a flattish. So more of a flat type of number from Cello word. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we witnessed gold and silver prices opening up and cooling off a bit, but we recommend to go long. A buy on dip strategy should be applied, and we are eyeing 62 250, 62 400 in gold, and one can initiate a buy around 61 900 and maintain a stop loss of 61 650. In silver also, prices are expected to test 77 500 to 7800, 78,000. So buying around 76 200 is recommended with a stop loss of 75 500. In crude oil, sorry, in crude oil, we can expect some pullback, and one should buy around 60 to 60 and maintain a stop loss of 61 800. On upside again, 6350, 6400 is the target we are eyeing for. In copper, 718 to 17 should hold as a support, and one can buy with a stop loss of 713. On upside, 722, 724. So that's it from me. I'll ask Puskar to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting some sideways to bearish momentum. So one can initiate a short position 27 December contract of USD INR in the range of 83.22 to 83.44 levels with a stop loss of 83.48 levels for the target of 83.34 and 83.30 levels. One can initiate a long positions around 83.31 levels with a stop loss of 83.25 for the target of 83.38 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions if in the range of 104.78 to 104.70 levels with a stop loss of 104.40 for the target of 105.15 and 105.31 levels. In Euro INR, the overall momentum is very strong, so one can initiate a long positions in the range of 91.24 to 91.28 levels with a stop loss of 90.90 for the target of 91.57 and 91.82 levels. Thank you.